Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Officially. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe. So my today blog is very exciting. It is all about Cologne Carnival 2025 and it is finally here, and tomorrow marks the first day of this incredible celebration. So if you are coming to Cologne for the carnival, then stick around for my top travel tips, budget hacks and must know info to help you make the most of this unforgettable event. And this guide will definitely help you with everything from what to pack, where to stay, how to save money and the best way to enjoy the festivals like a local. So let's get started. First is how to get to Cologne. So flying in today or tomorrow, you can expect definitely crowded airport, so arrive early. And for the train, you can buy your tickets in advance. Taxis and Uber is very hard to find, so public transport is your best bet. That's you have to choose. And let me tell you, Cologne Carnival is one of the biggest festival in Europe and it attracts over 1 million people. So to secure a good spots for the parades, which is very popular, the Rose Monday happening on 3rd of March, try to arrive early to grab a good viewing area, and public transport will be crowded on these days, so it's essential to plan ahead. Second, no hotel yet? Here is what you can do. You can check the last minute hotel deals on booking.com or Airbnb, and for the budget friendly options, hostels and shared stays are the best to book for the last minute arrangements. And Cologne has plenty of budget friendly hotels if you book early, but now the time has arrived. The most of the hotels are already booked, but the most important thing to know is the prices are also on peak during the carnival and availability is definitely can be limited. So book your accommodation ASAP and consider staying outside of the city center and using public transport to get to the festival grounds. The another question is what to wear, and if you're coming to attend the carnival, then definitely costume is the must. It's a fun and no one goes to the Cologne Carnival in normal clothes, so you don't need to buy an expensive costume. If you have already, then definitely well and good. Otherwise, DIY outfits are welcome. Consider incorporating fun accessories like feathers, face paint or a carnival wig to make your costume stand out. And it's winter now in Germany, then layer up yourself accordingly. It's very cold, especially in the evening, so temperature is average around 5 to 10 degrees Celsius, so be sure to wear warm clothes as well. Keep jackets, scarves and gloves if you are outside, and don't forget to wear the comfy shoes, most important, as you will be walking and dancing for hours, so comfy shoes are very important. Next is where to party and watch the parades. For the best street parties, Heumarkt, Old Town are the best location where all the pubs and bars are located in Cologne. And for the biggest parade day, that's a Rose Monday on March 3rd, you will see over 1 million people over the streets of Cologne. And the best viewing area for the parades are Neumarkt, Heumarkt, Domplatz, Altstadt, but arrive early, like I said, to secure your spot, as these areas can get crowded very quickly. And if you want an after party on Rose Monday, then after the parades, the party continues in pubs, bars and clubs. To enjoy the nightlife, just head to the famous Old Town Altstadt, where you can find a wide range of bars and beer tents. Most important part is how to attend the carnival in budget and how you can save money. Definitely everyone would like to save money during the biggest events. So first, buy the drinks and snacks from the supermarket, which is way cheaper than the bars, and Cologne has a lot of great street food including bratwurst, pretzels. You can expect to pay around 3 to 7 euro for a quick snack, and for drinks you must try Kolsch beer from the supermarket, or you can get at a pub or outdoor beer garden just for 3 to 5 euros. Second, get a public transport day pass, which is cheaper, and avoid taxis and cabs, which can cost you a bit expensive. So Cologne has an efficient public transport system, trams, bus, trains, but during the carnival week it will be very crowded. So again, I would say arrive early, use the public transport to get around and be organized. And most important thing to know is the parades and parties are spread out around the central Cologne, so get ready to walk a lot. And if you are staying close to the festival areas, then walking might be the most efficient option rather than getting a public transport. And third is, many part of the carnival, especially parades, are free to watch, so you don't need to spend a lot of money to enjoy the event. However, for some VIP viewing spots or special events, you may need to purchase the tickets in advance. Lastly, final tips again before you head out. Make sure you join the parades early and get the seats. Best spots, Heumarkt and Old Town that fill up very fast, and don't forget to catch the candy, chocolate and flowers from the parade's floats. It's a really a great fun that you cannot miss out. And yes, sing, dance, enjoy, because Carnival is all about the fun. Lastly, I would like to give you the important points that you should keep in mind. First, respect the local tradition and festivities when you come here, because Cologne Carnival is a time for laughter, music and joy, and it's also a time for the community spirit. You will see the people throwing candies, flowers and small gifts during the parades, and it's part of the fun. So don't hesitate to participate. But always respect the carnival atmosphere, the local people, the costume, because it's all about the fun and not about disturbing others. And yes, stay safe. Watch your belongings since the carnival attracts larger crowd in Cologne. Always keep an eye on your belongings. Pickpockets can be common in crowded areas, so take care of your stuff. Second, stay hydrated. With all the walking and partying, it's easy to get dehydrated, especially if you're drinking alcohol. So drink plenty of water throughout the day and take breaks whenever it's needed. That's it for the today last minute tips for Cologne Carnival, and by following these tips you will have a more enjoyable, stress-free and memorable experience of Carnival 2025. I hope you are ready to experience the excitement, the praise and of course the epic party. And if you found these tips really helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more travel guides and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming video. Enjoy the carnival, stay safe and remember, when in Cologne, Cola Alaf.